So good evening students. We will study today alcohol, phenol and ether, that is 11th unit from your syllabus. So what compounds are known as alcohols? What are alcohols? First of all we will study. So alcohols are the compounds which contain hydroxyl group. This OH group is known as hydroxyl group. So if one or more hydrogen from the alkane, say this is your propane. Okay, this is your propane. So if I replace one or more hydrogen with the hydroxyl group, then it will become alcohol, right? So alcohols are the compounds in which the hydroxyl group is attached to the aliphatic system. This is your aliphatic system, aliphatic chain. So if your hydroxyl group is attached to the aliphatic chain, it is known as alcohol. Now what are phenols? In phenols, same hydroxyl groups is present, but this group is present on the aromatic system. Say it is present on the benzene ring, then it will be named as phenol. See here, this compound is known as, it is itself known as phenol, common name, though it is hydroxybenzene, but its common name is phenol. So when your hydroxyl group is attached to the aromatic system, then it is known as phenol. Now similarly, what are ethers? Which compound are known as ethers? In ethers, the hydrogen of the alkane, it is replaced by the alkoxy group. See, this group is known as alkoxy. This is alkyl, this is oxygen. Alkyl plus oxygen is alkoxy. So if one of the hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy group, or it is replaced by aryl oxy group. Aryl means here there may be any aromatic system, say benzene ring. So if it is replaced by aryl oxy or alkoxy group, then it is known as ether. In ether, the oxygen on both the sides is attached to the alkyl group, or one side alkyl group, other side aryl group, or both sides may be aryl group. So now you know that what are alcohols, what are phenols and what are ethers. Right, earlier we have studied this all in first year, just introduction to you. Now let us first study about the alcohol phenols. So in alcohols and phenols, we will first study classification. Okay. Now as you have studied in haloalkanes, the classification can be done in two ways. The first classification is based on number of hydroxyl group. Right. So based on number of hydroxyl group, the alcohols can be classified as monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. Now what are monohydric alcohols? If monohydric alcohol means here there is only one hydroxyl group present. If only one hydroxyl group is present, such as methanol, ethanol, even phenol, where only one hydroxyl group is present, such alcohols are known as monohydric alcohols. Then similarly there is dihydric alcohol. Now what are dihydric alcohol? If there are two hydroxyl group present in a compound, then it is known as dihydric alcohol. Such as see these compounds, there two hydroxyl groups are present. This compound is ethylene glycol. Its common name is ethylene glycol. And IUPAC is ethane 1,2-diol, and this compound is benzene 1,2-diol, IUPAC name, and commonly it is known as catechol. Right. So These are the compounds which are dihydric alcohol. Why they are known as dihydric alcohol? Because they contain two hydroxyl groups. Similarly, the third one is trihydric alcohol. Now what will be trihydric alcohol? Here there will be three hydroxyl groups present. Right? The example will be glycerol. Glycerol is propane 1,2,3-triol. Its common name is glycerol and it is a trihydric alcohol. Similarly, you can put 3 hydroxyl group on benzene. This is benzene 1,3,4 trihydric alcohol or benzene 1,3,4 triol. So this is also an example of trihydric alcohol. Now example of monohydric alcohol. If there are more than 3 hydroxyl group, it is known as polyhydric alcohol. So the D one is polyhydric alcohol. So example of polyhydric alcohol is sorbitol. See here 6 hydroxyl groups are present, so it is an example of polyhydric alcohol. So if 1 is there monohydric, 2 is there dihydric, 3 is there trihydric, more than 3 is there polyhydric alcohol. So this is the classification which is based on number of hydroxyl group. So next we will study the classification which is based on the hybridization of carbon to which this hydroxyl group is attached. But this we will study only for monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are further classified based on the hybridization of the carbon to which the hydroxyl group is attached. So there are two types of compounds based on that. The first type of compound is in which the hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. In which the hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. So this is further classified into 3 types. The first one is known as alkanols. Alkanols or alkyl alcohols. As the name suggests, here your hydroxyl group will be attached to the alkyl group. You know the carbon which is of an alkyl group, it is sp3 hybridized. Hence it comes in this class, such as this ethanol. So here ethanol, this carbon, it is sp3 hybrid since it is attached to the single bond. So this is alkanol or the alcohol in which the hydroxyl group, see this hydroxyl group, it is attached to the carbon which is further sp3 hybridized and it is alkyl group. So it is known as alkyl alcohol. Right, now this alkyl alcohol, it may further be classified as primary. Say this one, that is ethanol. This is primary alcohol. Why it is primary alcohol? Because here the hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon. What is primary carbon? A carbon which is further attached to only one carbon. Right. So alkanol further are classified as primary alcohol. Then in secondary alcohol, this hydroxyl group will be attached to the secondary carbon. Here it is secondary carbon. What is this compound? This compound is propane 2-ol. Now similarly, if your hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon, right? Then it is tertiary alcohol. The name of compound is 2-methyl propane 2-ol, right? So this is how alkanols are further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. What are alkanols? Alkanols are those compounds in which the hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon of an alkyl group. Understood? Now come to the second class of compound in which we have sp3 hybridized carbon. So that is allyl alcohol. The second one, that is B1, is allyl alcohol. Now what are allyl alcohols? Here also your hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. See this example. Your hydroxyl group is attached to this carbon which is sp3 hybridized because it is attached to the all single bonded hydrogen and carbon, right? But this carbon will be further attached to double bonded carbon. If your hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon which is further attached to double bonded carbon, then it is known as allyl alcohol. The name of this compound, common name is its allyl alcohol only, but IUPAC is prop-2-in-1-ol. Prop-2-in-1-ol, right? Other example you can also have see this one also. Here your hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon which is further attached to double bonded carbon, and the compound name is but-3-in-2-ol. But-3-in-2-ol. So understood? Here your alcoholic group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon which is further attached to double bonded carbon. Understood? Now next example is, the third one is benzyl alcohol. Now what is benzyl alcohol? In benzyl alcohol, your hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon which is further attached to the aromatic system, right? This hydroxyl group is attached to this carbon which is sp3 hybridized, but this sp3 hybridized carbon, it is attached to the benzene ring or aromatic system, then it is known as benzyl alcohol. So here also in all those examples, in allyl alcohol, in alkanols, in benzyl alcohol, you can see that hydroxyl group will be attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon which may be further attached to different groups or compounds, right? So this is where your hydroxyl group is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. Now the second one is where your hydroxyl group, it is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon which is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Students, you know sp2 hybridized carbon is present where double bond is present. So in this class there are two type of alcohols. There are two type of alcohol. The first one is vinyl alcohol. Now what are vinyl alcohols? Here your alcoholic group is directly attached to the double bonded carbon, right? This double bonded carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. So your the hydroxyl group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon and this is double bonded carbon. So hydroxyl group, if it is attached directly to the double bonded carbon, then it is known as vinyl alcohol. See this example also. Here also this is also vinyl alcohol because the hydroxyl group is attached to double bonded carbon, right? Name of this compound is ethanol and this is propene 2-ol. Okay. Now the second one among this is aryl alcohol. Now you know, students, that in benzene ring all the carbons are sp2 hybridized. So if your hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring, so it is attached to the carbon which is sp2 hybridized, right? So these aryl alcohols are the alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached directly to the benzene ring or aryl group, right? The name of the compound is phenol. So here also it is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. So understood this classification? The classification is based on hybridization. There are two types in which the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. There are three types: alkanols, allyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol. And when there is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, then there are two types: vinyl alcohol and aryl alcohol. Nomenclature already you have studied in your previous class. Now I have given you one exercise in your PDF, that is how to classify the compounds given. You have to do that exercise, okay? So in the next class we will study about the method of preparation. Till then, goodbye.